Welcome to the Evergreen AI 1000 ChatGPT prompts. Prompts are really important. And you might be asking yourself, well, what are prompts? What is prompt engineering? AI prompt engineering is a process of creating instructions for AI models to generate higher quality outputs. You see, you have to carefully design the input text that you guide AI system to create accurate and relevant results. That's why a lot of people fail with AI is because they ask it the wrong questions or they ask it general questions. The way questions or instructions are phrased significantly impacts the AI model's performance. So when you repeatedly refine and optimize the prompts, that's a process called prompt engineering. We have 1,000 ChatGPT prompts available for you in many different categories: SEO optimization, social media management, customer service, content creation, personalized recommendations, language translation, data analysis, virtual assistants, and much more. So, if you want this guide with the 1,000 ChatGPT prompts and a video that guides you through how to use those prompts, then you should consider downloading the Evergreen AI 1000 ChatGPT prompts. You'll save time and effort in prompt engineering by having ready to use collection of high quality prompts. You'll also have a wide variety of prompts to use in different cases and industries. It'll provide you with inspiration and creative ideas for crafting effective instructions to elicit desired AI responses. It also enhances the quality and relevance of the AI generated content, and it'll assist you in optimizing content for search engines, resulting in higher visibility and more organic traffic. So, if you're a business owner, a content writer, a marketing director, a sales professional, an operations manager, a virtual assistant, or anyone that wants to leverage AI, getting the 1000 ChatGPT prompts is a game changer. Here's a testimonial from one of our clients. He said, I can't recommend the 1000 ChatGPT prompts guide enough. As a content marketer, I'm constantly looking for ways to level up my content creation game. This guide provided an incredible range of prompts that helped me generate engaging and persuasive copy effortlessly. The prompts were diverse and applicable to various industries, making it easy for me to tailor them to my specific needs. It saved me so much time and energy in prompt engineering. I no longer had to start from scratch, but could simply browse through the guide and find inspiration for my projects. The results were fantastic. My content became more captivating, and I saw a noticeable increase in customer engagement and conversion rates. The guide truly unlocked the potential of AI prompt engineering for me, and I'm grateful for the valuable resource it provided. So, what are you waiting for? Download the 1000 ChatGPT prompts guide today and see the value for yourself. Download it now. And by the way, if you want to learn more about AI, if you want to learn dozens of AI tools, if you want a full on course on how to use AI and you want to see case studies and people in your industry and many other industries and how they're using AI, check out our AI course at newaicourse.com. That's NEWAI course.com. We'll see you on the other side. Hopefully, you'll download the 1000 ChatGPT prompts and see for yourself what prompt engineering could do for your business. Boom.